Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add another presenter to help you manage the breakout rooms. There are two ways to add presenter support. You can do it before your meeting by entering your meeting and clicking the Breakout Rooms tab at the top. If your breakout rooms aren't already created, you can create them by clicking Create Rooms. If you already created your rooms, they will appear under the Breakout Rooms tab here. Simply go to the top right-hand corner of your screen and select Settings. From here, you will be able to assign presenters to help manage your rooms by toggling on Assign Presenters. By using the drop-down, you can select who you would like to help manage your rooms. One or more people can be added. You can also add breakout room managers to support you with the breakout rooms during a meeting. Simply go to the settings icon here, toggle on Assign Presenters, and select the presenters you'd like to help you. As a presenter, the people chosen as breakout room managers will be able to do several things, such as set breakout room timers, add or delete rooms, reassign users to rooms, start or close sessions. And it's as easy as that. If you want to know how to create breakout rooms before or during a meeting, check out these videos. I hope that helped. Bye.